This is Jamaica, my viewers. Ocho, Rios. Jamaica. Koja country lifestyle is here. Look at all those conchs. See, beautiful. Just enjoy nature, mother nature at its best. So those birds, conch. Fish pot. Nice water flowing. Welcome to Jamrock again, my viewers. This is Jamaica. Kojak represent Kojak country lifestyle. You see water, it's clean and pretty, crystal clear. Big up all viewers, big up to Koja Country Lifestyle who's watching right now. People having a good time here in Jamaica. Beauty. We like nature. We like water. Who like water? Who's watching my channel that's like water, who like the ocean, who like the sea? Look there. I know a lot of you would like to come and just get a soak up in this water right now. Look at all them fish there. Wow, you realize a lot of fish there. See them there? Some nice fish. Look at those, enjoying the water, those fish. This is Jamaica, Ocho, yes, Jamaica, beautiful Ocho. This is paradise, Jamaica. It's fun here in Jamaica. Beauty. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like. You can also share. You can subscribe. I'm looking at a turkey right there in the water a while ago. Some big fish.